How many trees is your bank currently using to send you statements? It's a question most of us don't stop to ask, but the answer is one of the many reasons to embrace digital banking. Specifically, using EverBank eStatements. They're not just a green choice, they're a smarter, faster, and more secure way to manage your finances. In the next few minutes, we're going to quickly break down exactly how you can use your EverBank eStatements efficiently, turning a monthly chore into a seamless part of your financial routine. Let's start with access and organization. Getting to your statements is simple. First, log into your EverBank online banking or the mobile app. You're looking for the Communications tab, or on the mobile app, it's often accessed through a menu icon. Within that section, you'll find the Documents Center. That's your digital filing cabinet. Inside the Documents Center, navigate to the Statements tab. Here, you can select the specific account and year you need. EverBank typically archives your statements for a substantial period, making it much easier than rummaging through old paper files. The real efficiency comes from downloading and saving. While your statements are archived online, it's a smart practice to create your own backup. You can view, download, or print any statement directly from the Documents Center. For best practice, create a dedicated, secure folder on your computer for monthly financial documents, using a clear naming convention, like EverBank_statement_account type _YYYYMM. This simple step makes tax time or loan applications a breeze, as you can instantly pull up any document a lender or accountant might need. Finally, let's talk about security and notifications. Paper statements can get lost, stolen, or misdirected. EverBank eStatements eliminate this risk by existing only in a secure, encrypted online environment. Crucially, ensure your email address is up to date with EverBank. You'll receive an email notification the moment your new statement is ready. Don't wait for a paper statement to arrive. This notification is your cue to log in and review your account activity right away. Catching an error or unauthorized transaction quickly is a huge benefit of going digital. So, to summarize your efficient EverBank eStatement routine: access, log in and head straight to the Communications and Documents Center. Organize, download and save files to a secure, organized folder for quick access. Monitor, use email notifications as a trigger to review your statement instantly for security. It's about streamlining your financial life and gaining peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.